Where is the hot girl summer? I want it right now. We're in April, but it's July in my head right now. I love summer so much. First of all, it's my birthday. Second, like, I get to wear cute outfits. Like, don't bullshit me with that fall shit. I just hate it when people are like, I just love fall because I just get to wear these cute outfits and these cute cardigans. No, we can't be friends if you're like that, okay? Summer. If you don't love summer, like, we can't vibe. Look. Wait, I just look like those moms fighting for custody. You know, like when he takes the kids and she's at the front door. How can you love fall though, if this is how you look like? I'm joking, like I'm not actually. Yes, there are some cute outfits you could wear in fall, but don't fucking tell me that's the best season. You're weird. Hot girl summer. I'm just ready to get drunk and have fun. Like, those who like spring, first of all, allergies, ew. Those who like fall, ew, everything is dying. Like, fall means that like trees and everything green is dying. How is that pretty? I don't fucking know. You're gonna tell me, oh, it looks orange. Yes, for a week, then it's terrible and ugly. If you like winter, you're a psychopath. Like, I can't really argue with you. Summer though, you're gonna tell me it's hot? Then go for a swim. All right, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I created this hot girl summer look. I'm gonna show you how I did the hair, I'm gonna show you how I did the makeup, and I'm gonna be talking shit and complaining about social media because I feel like it, and also because it's really boring to just do makeup. I mean, you guys have seen me doing tutorials over and over again. All right, so before I start gossiping about anyone or anything, I want to put these new contacts that I just bought. I switched companies, so this is where I buy my lenses now. It's TTDI. No one paid me to say this. I wish though. How cute is this? Why do I always get asked to promote shit that I'm not even interested in, but like no one contacts me for stuff like this? As if I have like millions of followers. Literally, I would get emails from people asking me to promote like gym stuff. Do you see me working out? Rude. I put stickers hoping that I would remember which one is what. I am organized in my own mess. Like, are y'all like this? If I'm looking for a shirt, for example, I know that it's under a pile of clothes on this chair in the other room. And I know that because last week I was looking for my pants that were on the same pile and I saw my shirt that was still there and I didn't put it in the closet. Then I'm gonna forget that it's in the closet. Like, my brain is just gonna remember that it's in the pile of clothes, if that makes sense. Why? I don't understand. It kind of looks darker on the camera, but it's really not this dark. I'm gonna be using this palette as a mirror to apply my makeup because it fits with today's theme, right? It does. I never really gossiped about anyone on this channel. I've been using social media for the longest time ever. And until this day, I still get tricked by people. I edit my photos. I already made a video about it. But like, sometimes I would look at celebrities like the Kardashians, for example, and I look at them, I zoom in and I'm like, damn, these people are so perfect. I try to tell myself, oh, like, it's the filter. But at the same time, it's really hard to believe that it's the filter when you look at the picture. I don't know why I like to do like this torture to myself. I know that the Kardashians, they care so much about their appearance. Like, I watched like Keeping Up with the Kardashians since season 1. Like, I watch everything. What I noticed about them is that they are really, really, really self-conscious about their appearance. Like, there was this time where Kim, she was at the beach with her friends and there was like this photo of her that was leaked on the beach and it was not edited, and the chick literally lost her marbles. She lost her shit. She couldn't focus on anything. She was freaking out. She was trying to prove that that's not how she looks like. I think she even said that those photos are photoshopped, that that's not how she looks and things like that. I understand that like no one wants to have an ugly picture of them posted online. by other people. Like that I understand. But the obsession over it, like the way she reacted was really weird. She ruined her sister's party just talking about it. She even like once freaked the fuck out when she saw that one of her sisters has stretch marks. Honey, 90% of women on this planet have stretch marks. Victoria's Secret models have stretch marks. Why are you setting these really fucked up beauty standards? Even though like me as a person who's always on social media is quite aware of the situation of plastic surgery and filters and things like that, like I still get tricked by it because I'm a dumb bitch. Like my brain likes to believe that these things are natural and I'm supposed to have these things. I mean, in general, I'm someone who doesn't really care that much. You know, like I don't care if people see me without a filter. I don't care if they see me with the filter. Like people have seen me like without makeup and without my hair done and everything. I mean, you guys just saw me right now. But at the same time, like that doesn't mean that like sometimes I would look at pictures and be like, oh, I wish I looked like that. Sometimes I would go to the beach and then just be super self-conscious about my body. I'm like, oh shit, everyone's looking. And you know what, unfortunately, people are probably looking because that's what the majority of people do. I would look at another person and I would think in my mind, oh, she has rolls. Oh, she has pimples. Oh, she has this, she has that. I'm not gonna think it's ugly because I have the same shit, okay? I'm not gonna judge people for having things that I have as well, but I am gonna notice those things because society highlights those things all the time, which sucks. But anyways, also by the way, Khloe Kardashian lately, she like her team or her, I don't fucking know, posted this unphotoshopped, unedited picture of her and she lost her marbles. Like that girl just went crazy. She did like a live video like showing her abs and it was like, girl, you're doing too much. She kind of looked weird doing that. I don't know, the way she freaked out trying to prove a point when like that picture looked totally fine. She looked good. Like I would have actually posted that picture expecting hundreds of likes. Don't you have like this brand called Good American where like you're all for body positivity and things like that, and then you freak out because there's this unedited photo of you where, by the way, like you look fucking perfect on it? Like I don't fucking understand. Like it or not, like the Kardashians set the fashion and beauty standards that apparently don't even apply to them. And people just kill themselves to look like that or even just close to that because they think that's you, but actually like you completely modify your photos. For me, that's enough to just believe that you're not relevant and I'm not gonna like follow what you say. You go in live showing your abs, trying to tell people that you don't look like that picture. If you're already feeling like shit, I'm sorry to tell you, but that photo is not real. This is real. And then I'm gonna show you my abs so that you could feel shit about yourself. When I was 10, I did not even look in the mirror. Like this hair, honey, was just looking like the sun. I didn't even know what beauty is. I didn't know that like some people are like prettier than others or anything like that. I was never told by anyone that like I'm supposed to look a certain way. I've never noticed that the other people in my school looked weird. Like we all looked the same. We all looked ugly because we were kids, you know? That's probably because we didn't really have social media. I'm a big fan of the Kardashians, but it really pisses me off to see them completely denying the fact that they had work done. Especially, for example, Kylie Jenner. Honey, you can't really change your bone structure. You know what I mean? You can't be looking like this and then you tell me that you went through puberty and then you're looking like this. Looking like this means that your hips, like that bone, is really wide. You could have a bigger ass after puberty. You could have bigger boobs. Yes, that I can believe. But don't tell me the fucking shape of your skeleton is gonna change. Your lips don't get bigger with puberty. Shady people. I think a few years ago I heard Nikita Dragon saying that she knows this influencer that has an Instagram page about fitness and things like that, where she shares tips and, you know, like exercises and things like that with people. And she has a fucking lipo. And she tells people that that's her natural body. For me, like, that's a fucking crime. And you should go to jail for that. You literally get a plastic surgery and make people buy your programs and your diets and watch your videos and invest their time and energy and probably kill their mental health when you're fucking lying. I know that there's like this dip that women have on their hips. That bothered me for a long time and I really hope to get rid of it. And I was actually like looking at some exercises to do, and I came across this Instagram where like this girl is really transparent and honest, and she was saying that you can't get rid of that. Not everyone knows that. I didn't know that. I'm sure that a lot of people don't know that. And I got so mad, not because I couldn't get rid of it, but because I believed these assholes online who showed that they actually got rid of it, while in reality they just either photoshopped or got surgeries. Or for example, there's this influencer, this very, very famous one. Her name is Camila or something. She has like millions of followers. That woman had this gorgeous body with abs and everything, a very fit body. Like, she didn't look like she had any work done, but maybe on her body, I don't know. She has never answered the question about like her workout or like what she does to maintain her body, while like she's always traveling and things like that. What actually pissed me off and made me unfollow is the fact that I would see her like posting photos of her with like a giant pizza in front of her while she's in Italy, and she has like this big slice of pizza that she has like closer to her mouth. Obviously that pizza wasn't touched, and that was like the first slice. Her body is probably like 10% fat. I don't know, I would follow you if you actually showed me yourself eating that pizza, unzipped your pants and showed me your bloated stomach. How about that? I would have loved that. I unfollowed the Kardashians, I unfollowed all the influencers, and if someone is gonna come and tell me they don't owe you anything, they don't have to post these things, they could do whatever they do with their lives. They're literally called influencers. They influence people. That's their job. That's their responsibility. Influencers, if influencing, I have an influence on you, you know? I'm doing my makeup right now, and I'm probably gonna feel cute at the end of this video. Then I'm gonna go take a selfie, and I'm not gonna be using my normal camera to take a selfie. I'm gonna go on the camera of my Instagram to look at my face, and I'm gonna feel cute, and then I'm gonna see those filters. I'm gonna be tempted to use the filters. They're gonna make me look unreal, and then when I go back to normal, I'm gonna not like what I see anymore. Because now I have something to compare myself to, which is not reality. It's a filter. And because I know how I look like with the filter, I'm always tempted to use a filter for us. Like, so unlucky, to be honest. Why is it so complicated? Jesus, fuck. So I posted this Instagram story where like people were asking me how I did my curtain bangs. So much noise. To have hair like this, I braid it when it's damp after a shower. So the key is to always curl inwards, like always on the inside. So basically like this, not on the other side. I think I got makeup inside my eyes and now my vision is super blurry and I can't work properly. I'm gonna remove these contacts for now. So what I do is that I go like this and it does this right here. Voila! So I'm gonna get dressed, wear something cute, and come back. All right. Yes, this is the hot girl summer I'm talking about. Oh my god, all I need now is a flip phone. Like, I want a flip phone. Well, I hope that you guys liked this look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye!